Hello, fourth graders. Mrs. Nelson. We are going to be looking at finding a multiple. We're going to be trying to find out, is a number, I'll give you a number. For example, I'll give you the number 36. And I'm going to ask you, is 36 a multiple of 4? Okay, so that's the question. So what you're going to do is you're going to start skip counting, or you can, or if you know all your factor pairs of 4, you will be able to know, is 4 a multiple? So is 36 a multiple, meaning if you multiply by 4, so if you multiply by 4 times something, will you get 36? That's the question. That's the question. If you multiply by 4, will you ever get the answer of 36? That's kind of the question we're looking at. So, if I look at 4 and I skip count, usually the easiest way to say, is it a skip count? You go 4, you go 8, you go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, and you're going to have to move pretty far through this, or not, depending on what you're going to do. Usually, though, I don't like to do it that way because skip counting takes such a long time. So I look at it and I say, well, is 4 times 9 is 36? I know that. 4 times 9 is 36, so yes. So I would say the answer is yes, comma, 36 is a multiple of 4. Because if I'm a multiple of 4, that means 4 times something equals 36. So I know that, okay? So let's take a look at another number. So then we're going to look at the number 46. And is that a multiple of 7? Okay? Now you could skip count until you're blue in the face, and sometimes these numbers are just too big. I don't recommend skip counting. I would recommend saying, well, 4 times something equals 46. What is that? Well, I know that 4 times, or excuse me, I have 4 stuck in my head. 7 times 5 equals 35. That's close. And I know that 7 times 6 equals 42. And 7 times 7 equals 49. So I know that this will never happen. 7 times what? That's what I'm looking at. 7 times what equals 46? Well, nothing. So what I'm saying here is, if I have 7 and I multiply 7 times anything, will I ever get 46? No. 46 is not a multiple. Is not a multiple of 7, ever. Okay? So that's how you basically find multiples, is you take the number that you're given, the multiple of 7, and try multiplying it times a number to see if you ever hit 46. Be very strategic. Try to get a multiplication fact close to. Okay? Questions, concerns? I'll see you in the next video.